Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we will learn how to create an account in Grafana Cloud. What is Grafana Cloud and its some of its key features. So first let's see what is Grafana Cloud. So Grafana Cloud is fully managed cloud hosted observability platform. It helps us to monitor and analyze the performance of your applications and infrastructure, all hosted and maintained by the Grafana Labs. It is a platform which provides seamless visualization and analysis of metrics, logs, and traces. So let's see some of its key features. First is metrics, logs, and traces. It allows you to collect, store, and visualize data from various sources, including metrics, logs, and traces. Metrics provides performance indicators. Logs details the events and traces maps applications execution paths. Its next feature is pre-built dashboards. So it comes with the pre-built dashboards for common applications and services, which saves your time on setting up visualization. You can then customize these dashboards to fit your specific needs. Then the next application is ease of its feature is ease of use. There is no need to install or maintain your own Grafana servers. Grafana Cloud takes care of everything, making it low maintenance solution. Then the next feature is scalability. The platform automatically scales to meet your needs, so you don't have to worry about infrastructure limitations as your monitoring needs grow. Grafana Cloud automatically adjusts the resources to the increased data value. Next is open source integration. It integrates seamlessly with popular open source tools like Prometheus and Grafana itself. This allows you to leverage existing tools and workflows with your Grafana Cloud environment. And it also provides some additional features, like it offers functionalities like performance testing and incident response management through integrated services like Grafana K6 and Grafana Incident. So these are some additional features. So now let's move to the practical. Go to this link and use it in your preferred browser to visit the Grafana Cloud website. Here you can create a free account. You can choose the different plan instead of a free as your requirement. So just scroll down and here you will see your guide to the Grafana Cloud plan section. Click on the see pricing details. So here, other than free plan, there is Pro Pay as you go plan, and also there is Advanced Premium Bundle plan. Here, the Pro Pay as you go plan starts with $0 per month. It includes all Grafana Cloud features, but enterprise plugins are optional, and additional features beyond the free tier includes charges. Paying the advanced premium bundle, it starts at $299 per month. And this plan includes all Grafana Cloud features with enterprise plugins included, along with 24/7-hour supports. So we can see user-based pricing of both of these plans. You can create as per your requirement. So let's go back and Let's create a free account. Here, it will ask you for email and password. You can even create your account with Google, Twitter, Microsoft, or Amazon. So let's give your password. Click on create my account. Now, this will send the activation code to your mail. So go to your mail and check for the mail sent by the Grafana. Copy the activation code and paste it. Check the activation code, and once it's done, it will ask you to set up your first Grafana stack. So here you need to put the stack URL and select the deployment region. Here I will be selecting India, then click on finish setup. So this is the Grafana Cloud insights. You can get started with a few steps. It shows you the 8 options here. The first is create a dashboard. This lets you create a visual representation of your data for easier analysis. Then next option is shift data to Grafana Cloud's backend. This involves sending your data to Grafana Cloud for storage and analysis. Then the next option is Prometheus. This is the data collection and storage service supported by Grafana Cloud. Then next is Monitor Kubernetes. This option allows you to monitor the health and performance of your Kubernetes cluster. Then our fifth option is connect to your cloud services. This lets you connect to your cloud storage services to Grafana Cloud. There are new services like AWS, GCP, and Azure Cloud Platform. It lets you connect with them. Then next option is testing and synthetic. This enables you to run the synthetic monitoring test to check the performance of your application. The next option is quick start. This provides the simplest and the fastest way to try out Grafana Cloud with your data. And the last and the eighth option is explore and learn. This section offers resources to help you learn more about what you can do with Grafana Cloud. So with these steps, you can get started with the Grafana Cloud. And if you are already familiar with the Grafana, you can just click on I am already familiar with Grafana and skip setup this option. So now this is the homepage of Grafana. Here you can start visualizing and monitoring the data. You can create your own dashboards also. So today we have learned about the Grafana Cloud, its features, and how to create an account in Grafana Cloud. And with this, you can easily monitor and understand your system performance. You can even create your own dashboards, or you can just import them in Grafana Cloud. So that's all for today, guys. Thank you.